to Fly in almost all leading papers. Even in Wings to Fly was covered in vernacular medium papers. Unsung heroes in the media. Coming to the global grant, we have completed 4 global grant projects this year, totaling to about 3,63,148 US dollars. Our foundation contribution stands at an all-time high of 2,74,000 US dollars. Fundraising through CSR and other retail donors crossed rupees 6 crores. So we come to the final numbers. Our total spent from all the activities related only to the projects. All put together, we impacted lives with 11 crores worth of projects. So that's a Power of Dreams by RCME. Our theme for the year stands for real and stands for RCME's excellence. Thank you all for listening, and signing off, Rotarian Mahesh Pattabhiraman, Secretary. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Rotarian Magesh. We always look forward to your reports. Thank you for keeping it brief.
Okay. We'd love to welcome our honorary member, Rotarian Sri M.M. Rajendran, former governor of Orissa, and his wife for having taken time to come here today. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. We'd also like to welcome visiting Rotarians, Rotarian Mahesh Babu, International Director, Rotary Club of Guindy, Rotarian Vishwanathan, Rotary Club of Chennapatna, Rotarian Shiva, Rotary Club of Renaissance, Rotarian Dr. Sendil Nathan, President-elect, IT City, Rotarian Ramesh Babu, President-elect, Rotary Club of Guindy, Rotarian Radha Krish, Secretary, Rotary Club of Guindy, Rotarian PLN Prakash Rao, Secretary, Chennai Green City, Rotarian Lata Balamukundan, President-elect, Chennai Coastal, Rotarian Amara Sravanesh, President, Silver Beach, Rotarian Meena Subaya, RCMC. Welcome again.
Praneshwari, we did some great work this year. And besides that, the one thing that stood out for me was the great work culture that President Rotarian Srinivasa Rao created among his team. I think everyone would agree that it's been a wonderful Rotary year, and none of it would have been possible without the good work and the support of the President's Army. We request the President and his board to please come forward for a group photo as the Opportunities team.
We request all the board members present to please come up on stage of the Opportunity team.
Yes.
Yeah. Change makers. Sorry. A small correction, but you may please proceed till here, yeah. So first, it's okay, fine, we will proceed with the agenda. So the board members of Rotarian Srinivasa Rao are going to present a memento to him, well deserved, obviously. And then we'll have the group photo. Yeah.
This is the coffee table book. All the projects done by our president and the Changemakers board with the entire photographs captured.
Can you start? Can you start here? After this. I think. That was indeed a wonderful surprise for our president. Very emotional indeed, and a classy gift for a classy man. And I'm told to mention that this was completely done by Secretary Rotarian Magesh Pattabhiraman, as usual, the one-man army. So, going forward,
Yeah. Don't you think we missed out? Don't you think we missed out on being part of this wonderful board?
after seeing this, definitely yes, I do. But I'm sure we'll get more opportunities in the upcoming years. That is, if we make it through this evening.
I really doubt that's going to happen, but now it's time to turn the page to a new exciting chapter that is about to unfurl. Are you as excited as I am?
Yes, very much so. President, we request you to come forward for the introduction of the incoming president and the incoming first lady.
There's no picture, right? So they're all yours.
Thank you so much, Varun and Priya. That was a wonderful gift I got from my board members. Thank you so much. And thank you so much, Mahesh, for making all that. No doubt last 1 week you were not picking up my calls. I think you were busy making this book. 2 days, is it? Awesome. Friends, I take pleasure in introducing our cool and calm President-elect Rotarian Ramakumar to Rotary Club of Madras East and other guests assembled here. Ramakumar was born on 14 September 1970 in a place called Chirala. Am I right? Is that the right spelling? Prakasam district, to Mr. Tadavarthi Basavaya and Mrs. Krishnabeni. Rotarian Ramakumar's father is a BA graduate from those days when erstwhile state of Andhra Pradesh had only 3 colleges throughout the state, ensuring Ramakumar's upbringing in an educated business family. Rotarian Ramakumar did schooling up to 10th standard in Zila Parishad High School in a place called Chinna Ganjam. Am I right? I got confused whether it is China Ganjam or Chinna Ganjam. I got it right. It is Chinna Ganjam in Telugu medium in a small village near Chirala, where his maternal grandparents used to live. He got scholarship all through his schooling years for being ranked in the top 500 at the district level. Ramakumar was a class leader and also the school pupils leader, thus developing his leadership abilities from a very early age. Now beware, imagine board members, chairpersons, which includes me also, and don't be taken off guard if you see Ramkumar with a cane or a whistle monitoring your work. Ramkumar later studied in Andhra Loyola College, Vijayawada, one of the premium institutions in those days to study intermediate in English medium. This is the place where he got good exposure to the outside world, having participated in various cultural activities along with academics. Blessed with handsome looks, Ram, blessed with handsome looks, I am wondering why he never took up to the movies to become a Kollywood star. Ramakumar completed his B Electronics and Communications in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Chennai, another premium institution even today. Sure, these years in Sri Perambuttur would have sowed the seeds in his mind into scouting for land and also to buy some of his futuristic endeavor of Natris business. Immediately after his engineering, he joined his ancestral business of salt cultivation, trading and agriculture in his native place. Along with his brother, Ramakumar forayed into aquaculture and